Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Kickstarter data to Google Sheets for marketing forecasting step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Kickstarter website. Log in to your Kickstarter account. Locate the project from which you want to extract data. Go to the project page and scroll down to the updates or backer areas. Take note of the key data points you wish to analyze, such as funding goals or backer counts. Open a new tab and navigate to Google Sheets. Create a new spreadsheet by clicking on the blank template. Label your columns based on the data points you noted earlier. Return to the Kickstarter project page. Select and copy the desired data from the project. Switch back to Google Sheets. Paste the copied data into the corresponding columns in your spreadsheet. Once you've entered all the data, consider adding formulas to automate calculations. For example, to calculate total funding, use the sum function. To project future funding, apply a trendline or forecasting feature within Google Sheets. If you want real-time data updates, you can use Google Apps Script. In Google Sheets, click on Extensions, then Apps Script. Write a script to pull data directly from Kickstarter's API. Make sure to save and authorize the script to access your sheet. Return to the Google Sheets interface. Run the script to fetch the live data. Now, enhance your data visualization with charts and graphs. Use these visuals to better present your marketing forecasts. Regularly update your sheet to keep your analysis fresh. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.